T-minus 17 seconds and counting. 15, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, remaining. Start, 2, 1, boost ignition, and liftoff of the remaining. T-minus 17 seconds and counting. 15, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, remaining. Start, 2, 1, boost ignition, and liftoff of the remaining.
Just because it was such a red day, I thought we should have that intro twice, right? What a flash crash it was. Was it market manipulation? I think it was. It is good to see you, Southpaw Tony, my good friend Stoffelhan. Stoffelhan, you've not been around for a while. Where have you been? And how are both of you? Anyway, I'm happy that we got 2 lions here. Let me see now. We got 10 lions that are actually watching. This is quite amazing. Well, what can I say? Tomorrow we're gonna do it. First of all, today we're just gonna wrap up a little bit what happened, and tomorrow we're gonna do a little bit of a longer stream, and a lot of my personal things, they're kinda as good as it can be behind me. So we are gonna intensify our videos and streams. But yeah, first of all, please let me know. Can you hear me? Because otherwise, where is Shahid? Someone needs to tell me out of you 10 if you can hear me good, so that we can start this little great show of ours, the day of true manipulation. Anyway, I hope you... How are you? Santiago Lopez, good to see you, good to see you. I mean, I still think it's amazing that we still got, you know, a few watching. Anyway, I suspect that you can hear me, and yeah, we need to get this little show of ours going, and... it's Blockchain Bully, good there. You're there too, good to see you. Anyway, let's start, and it goes a little something like this. I want to welcome you to Crypto Never Sleeps, and this actually should be a flash crash Saturday or Sunday. Anyway, in case you're new to this channel, you want to stay on top of the crypto world, well then do me a favor, hit like and smash and subscribe and all them goodies so that you can be notified every time we upload new videos, so that you can, and this is important to me, protect your wealth, preserve your wealth, and ultimately increase your wealth. My name is Nico Arachi, and I'm the host of the littlest crypto channel on the interweb. Usually when we start off our little streams here, we always thank you so much, Blockchain Pool. We always go in and we look at the 15-minute chart, and we always try to compare them, right? We got BTC, which is currently down 2.7%, which is not even so much, at 25,000. We got Ethereum down 5%. Now that's a little bit more at 1,741. And then we got Cardano at 26 cents on the dollar. Wow, down 10%. And then we got, I mean, we gotta be honest with each other. Those polka dots, they don't look so lovely right at this moment. Anyway, the reason why I'm gonna put myself here in the middle, so we can see that again. These charts, right? They just look. I mean, they speak for themselves. I don't need to say much, right? I think we can see that. What happened here, and it was 7 o'clock my time, and I woke up. I usually don't wake up at 7 o'clock, but I needed a cup of tea, and then I had a suspicion. I had a suspicion that I was actually doing just some naughty trades on synthetics, and I actually had some buy orders at 195. But then I woke up and I saw it was at 170. I mean, I could hardly believe my eyes, and then wait. And as Tony is saying, we missed those flash crash streams. I wasn't sure this morning if it really was. What was it? I was a little bit out of touch, so I didn't want to really do a flash crash stream. However, I mean, just look at it. I mean, we see how this 7 o'clock my time, and yeah, we're seeing the entire market going down. If this is not, I mean, this is really what I kind of preach on this channel, right? I kind of preach this market manipulation. And I just want to jump over here and say, I also like today, I mean, go in and also watch, I'm sure you watch Ivan on Tech and his streams, right? I mean, he has always had, I mean, he is way ahead of me, but maybe he picks at least that market manipulation. He was talking about it today. And I think go in and watch that the first 10 minutes, because he's basically saying or stating or explaining the reason, as I have done here 1,000 times. You see, when we used to do our flash crash live streams, we would also do it when we had these flash triggers, when we saw the overall market. And when we say overall, we talk about the entire market correlating, going down exact at the same time. And it is also, I mean, it's Saturday, it's Sunday, right? We all know that institutional investors are not working. We know that the banks are not working. It was just, again, and we also know that you and I, we were not selling, right? We didn't press that sell button Saturday morning at 7 o'clock my time. And that means in America it was night, and Asia, yeah. Anyway, I think so. But what do we take out of that? Let's just first look here before we see here, we're looking at Bitcoin on the weekly. We're still below the 7-day moving average. We've been that now for 4 weeks, right? I mean, it's also funny. You can say what you want, but the first time that we moved below it again here 5 weeks ago, we've been pretty much staying below it. Even though, look at the volume, and the volume it's so low. For whatever it's worth, still look at the monthly and the 7-day moving average, and we can see there we are very much above. Very much above. And this led me to actually use this day to do a little bit of shopping. You know, buy a few coins for the right pocket, and a few coins for the left pocket, and a few for the back pocket. But before I will let you know which coins I added and at what price, we need to see if any of you 5 lions are in the mood for just a quick chit chat. So yeah, I love it. I love lower, but yeah, blockchain bully. I know you're still. I mean, I don't know if we're gonna see those 12,000. I don't even think we're gonna go back to 15,000. But I'm pretty happy with these. Let's say, I don't know. You know, a flash crash should, should recover a little bit quicker. We didn't recover as quick. But let's see what this week is going to bring. So the coins that I bought, let's just have a quick look at the overall market. So we can see that we are not below, but in terms of market cap of the entire cryptocurrency industry, we are still above 1 trillion. I guess that's important, right? And but we can. It was funny to see this morning, right? It was like 20. That was the number. But if we go through it quick here, we see Bitcoin down 2.7, Ethereum 5, BNB, Binance had a lot of issues this week. From my point of view, Binance, right? Binance is, from my point of view, still going to remain the global, or perhaps, remain the biggest exchange in the world. It doesn't matter. I don't know. It's too early to say, right? It's not good when you're being sued by the SEC, but they got clients all over the world, and not only the US. And as we also see, I'm uploading a new video tomorrow about the BRICS, right? From a geopolitical point of view, there are many other places where you can earn money. So Binance in America, I don't see this as being the worst thing. Anyway, we also knew, you and I, we always knew that the CBDC is coming, right? And we've been talking a lot about this, that the new financial system is basically going to be the central bank, as we have it here. Let me show you. central bank is going to launch a CBDC, and this is where then decentralized finance is coming in. So overall, I don't think that this was something that was so I mean, this news that the SEC is going to hack down on Binance and on crypto, we kind of expected it, right? Anyway, let's see here. So we got Cardano down now, 10%. Doge. Who's talking about Doge at the moment? Nobody's talking about Doge, right? It's also funny if you, let's go in and look at Doge. Let's see what the trading volume is. So Doge had in 24-hour volume almost $1 billion. You would wonder who is, I don't know. I think it's all manipulated. It's a very, I also say that the markets, they're very inefficient, and that's why they're being manipulated by a small amount of whales, I guess, or the people behind. But I think ultimately we're going all to be happy. Solana down 12, Polygon down 18, we got Polkadot down 10, Shiba Inu down 13, 16 for Avalanche, 12 for Chainlink, 12 for Uniswap, 8 only for Stellar, and then we got Bitcoin Cash down 6, 14 for Filecoin. Gonna move down. Algorand down 10, Aave down 12, Optimism down 20, took a big hit, right? And Maker already up. Maker already up 1%. Curve down 11%. Is one of, I would say, Synthetics down 15% at 173. It was down at 160 this morning. Whew, I would have loved to. I got mine at 195, but I also then bought more Synthetics at 175. So, still cheaper than what we're seeing here. Injective at down 90. These are great coins. There's so many. Yeah, 1inch. 1inch is one of the ones I bought today. Anyway, overall, we can see that the market is still very much down. And 24 hours, 22% to Sushi Swap is also not, is a coin we don't speak enough about. Live beer. It is, if you got the balls, today is a good time for shopping. But just remember, I don't know shit about crypto, and you do need to do your own research, right? So I think there are a lot of good coins, and you know which ones I like. But I just wanted to point out that so today we added. I also mentioned that in the Telegram chat in our group. So 1inch we did add at. Currently it is at what is 1inch? Ah, yeah, 27 cents. Yeah, exactly. I think we got around that at that price, and it's not so long ago. But what is nice, look at this, its potential could generate more than 3,000% to its previous all-time high. And remember, 1inch is the ultimate decentralized aggregator exchange. And I bought all the coins today, I bought them on 1inch. So here I just think that was a good buy. That's how I see it. Just go in and look at 1inch, so we can see so today down 15%, and if we go in and look at, since it's basically almost at a new all-time low. So I'm not worried with 1inch. Yeah, 1inch. The second coin that we bought or added more to our existing holding is Metis. I know that and Vex, he also likes Metis. Now here it's potentially only 1,600% to its last all-time high. Still also I like Metis. We're still doing stuff there, and so I bought Metis on Net Swap today at 20. Is it at 19? I wrote that in. It must be right around this price. And then the last coin we bought was Illuvium. Illuvium is, how much is that down today? We anyway entered into Illuvium too expensive when we, 1 month back. I think we got also around 45, down 9% almost on the day. And if we look in here, we can see also, very, just 1 year. I think, yeah, I think it's not bad. Not bad. With Illuvium, what is the potential? I think it is, yeah, here you can see. Should Illuvium go to its previous all-time high? Well, then there you go. 4,140% potential return on investment. So I will be looking tomorrow because there are many other lovely coins that probably right now are worth looking at. And you know, I like just to go. I mean, here when especially in these flash crash situations, I think it's good to go in and look at Coin.Live because here you have it really, you know, very simplistic overview, and you can see how much they're down and what the potential is to its past all-time high. So just by scrolling down here, you can see with ICP 18,000, but okay, ICP, that's a different. Let's see if that's good. Filecoin 6,000% potential. I mean, this is just, you know, this is not highly professional, but you know, when things needs to go quick, it's not so bad. 3,000% potential with Algorand, and what else here? Curve was also took a big hit, 2,188%. So yeah, but Synthetics 1,500. I really think Synthetics, Curve, Maker, you know, Compound, those big ones. IOTA 3,265%. So yeah, I like to look at the ones that and 1 inch 3,000%, Illuvium 4,000%, and yeah, Compound 3,300. I think tomorrow, maybe right after the stream, I'm gonna increase also our Compound position. Just remember, everything I say and do is not financial advice, right? Please remember that. Very important. So guys, I really wanted to make it short, and that's enough. Max is here. Good to see you. I jumped on some meters myself. There, well. I mean, I think you and I we go hand in hand, and I think today was a good time. Blessings to you too, Alexander. Guys, thank you for coming. As I said, I wanted to make it short, and we will see each other tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll do a longer stream. Also talk a little bit about you know, my private situation. Talk a little bit about geopolitics, and also talk. What do you say, guys, to Tucker Carlson on Twitter? 88, I don't know how many more million views he got. I mean, it looks like some people, they do want to know the truth, and God bless him for being, at least for now, able to speak the truth. Let's see how long that's gonna last. Anyway, guys, thank you for being here. I love you, and I'll see you tomorrow for more Chit Chat. And go and watch Ivan on Tech's stream from today, all about market manipulation in the first 10 minutes. Remember, we need to go against the trend. That's when we go in and buy. It feels strange. It doesn't always feel good, but that's what a lion does with an eagle mentality.
When the eagle spreads its wings, it's something to behold. It's something to behold. Nearly 9 feet from tip to tip, when it spreads its wings, it was built for high places. It was built to soar. I think you would say meters, about 3 meters. It was built to soar, to fly. It was built to withstand storms, so that when the storm comes and other birds run for shelter, the eagle runs into the storm and uses the storm to lift it up so that it can fly above the storm. You know you're an eagle when you ran into a storm that you thought was going to kill you, and instead of it killing you, it lifted you higher than you've ever been lifted before. It's a sure sign you're an eagle. Can you hear me tonight? Spread those wings and it begins to fly. It can see several miles, even in the night. It can see its prey and its opponent. Eagles are awesome birds. The eagle knows that he ain't hooked up with no chicken, because this old chicken can't get up in the air that high. It might think the eagle is pretty cute, but it can't get up there where the eagles fly, because its body is fat and its wings are too short and it can only flap up a little ways and fall back down again. And some of you have got a lot of eagles that are trying, you are eagles and you've got a lot of chickens that are trying to flap up there and get where you are. But God will take you to a place where you can only hook up with other eagles, and eagles are, oh, do you hear what I'm saying to you? So don't be frustrated when you see the chickens flapping up and falling down, because at this stage in your life, it's time for you to be synergistic with other eagles. Eagles love on another level. Eagles live on another level. Eagles think on another level. Eagles function on another level. Eagles dream on another level. Eagles build on another level. Glory to God. If you had somebody reject you, leave you, walk out the door, stop crying about it. It was just a chicken. What you need is another eagle with wings and dreams and visions and concepts and ideas, who's not jealous of you, who's not intimidated by you, who's not fighting you. You know that it's an eagle when they're not jealous of you. You know it's another eagle when they can think thoughts like you think. You know it's another eagle when they can pray for you and help you to get to the next level. It's only the chickens that are down on the ground talking about everybody. Wonder how much further you would be if you would focus on being synergistic with other eagles, rather than expending your energy trying to change chickens.